मुझसे जुड़े रहने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। रवि बाहर था जब मैंने कॉल किया। रवि वॉज आउट व्हेन आई कॉल्ड। रवि वॉज आउट व्हेन आई कॉल्ड। आईटी डिपार्टमेंट में राहुल कौन है? हु इज़ राहुल इन आईटी डिपार्टमेंट? हु इज़ राहुल इन आईटी डिपार्टमेंट? कंप्यूटर चालू करें क्या? Shall we switch on the computer? Shall we switch on the computer? वहाँ कोई नहीं होगा। There will be no one. There will be no one. तुमने उसे खेलने क्यों दिया? Why did you let him play? Why did you let him play? कार्टून देखना बंद करो। Stop watching cartoon. Stop watching cartoon. ये सब उसकी चाल है तुम्हें फंसाने की। This is all his conspiracy to trap you. This is all his conspiracy to trap you. उस दिन पूरे देश में छुट्टी थी। It was holiday that day in the whole country. It was holiday that day in the whole country. फ़ोन को चार्जिंग से उतार दो। Unplug the phone from charging. Unplug the phone from charging. यह मेरे बस की बात नहीं। It is beyond my capacity. It is beyond my capacity. आजकल स्वार्थ का ज़माना है। Selfishness is common these days. Selfishness is common these days. अपने जूते शू रैक में रखो। Keep your shoes in the shoe rack. Keep your shoes in the shoe rack. क्या आप एक जगह पर नहीं बैठ सकते? Can't you sit still at one place? Can't you sit still at one place? उसने मुझे कुछ नहीं करने दिया। He didn't let me do anything. He didn't let me do anything. आज सोमवार नहीं है। It's not Monday today. It's not Monday today. मैं उसे फ़ोन क्यों करूँगा? Why would I call him? Why would I call him? If वो गर्ल है तो her. him की जगह her आएगा। मैं इस बकवास को सहन नहीं कर सकता। I can't tolerate this nonsense. I can't tolerate this nonsense. तुम कुछ भी करो मुझे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता। You do anything, I don't care. You do anything, I don't care. समय के साथ चलना बड़ा मुश्किल है। It is difficult to match pace with the time. It is difficult to match pace with the time. उसने ऐसा क्या कहा कि तुम्हें बुरा लग गया? What did he say to make you feel bad? What did he say to make you feel bad? दोनों एक दूसरे के बहुत करीबी हैं। Both are close to each other. Both are close to each other. वो सब अच्छे से जानते हैं रिया क्यों दुखी है। They all know very well why Riya is upset. They all know very well why Riya is upset. तुमने मुझे सोचने तक नहीं दिया। You didn't even let me think. You didn't even let me think. सड़क पर मुरम्मत चल रही है। The road is under repairing. The road is under repairing. कुछ खाने के लिए ले लो। Get something to eat. गेट समथिंग टू ईट। उसने मुझे कभी रोने नहीं दिया। He never let me cry. He never let me cry. आज तुम्हारा दिन है, कल मेरा होगा। It's your day today, it will be mine tomorrow. It's your day today, it will be mine tomorrow. हमें क्यों नहीं बोलने दिया तुमने? Why did you not let us speak? Why did you not let us speak? मैं उसे धोखा नहीं दे सकता। I can't cheat her. I can't cheat her. ये मेरी ख्वाहिश है। It's my will. It's my will. उसकी कीमत 5 रुपया है। It costs 5 rupees. It costs 5 rupees. आपने ये कितने अच्छे से बताया। How elegant you explained it. How elegant you explained it. क्या आप उससे मेरी बात करवा देंगे? Could you please make me talk to him? Could you please make me talk to him? कल रात मुझे बुखार हो गया था। I had a fever last night. I had a fever last night. उसे जाने क्यों नहीं दिया तुमने? Why did you not let him go? Why did you not let him go? अपनी किताबें अपने बैग में रख दो। Keep your books in your bag. Keep your books in your bag. कुछ भी जो तुम्हें अच्छा लगे। Anything you feel like. Anything you feel like. लोग उसे मुझसे मिलने नहीं देते। People don't let him meet me. People don't let him meet me. ऐसा सोचना भी मत। Don't even think so. Don't even think so. अपना होमवर्क कंप्लीट करो। Complete your homework. Complete your homework. बहुत सी नदियों में बाढ़ आई हुई है। Many rivers are flooded. Many rivers are flooded. मैं तुम्हें ये नहीं करने दूंगा। I will not let you do this. I will not let you do this. ये पैसा वसूल मूवी थी। This movie was worth watching. This movie was worth watching. उस लड़के में तुम्हें क्या पसंद है? What do you like in that boy? What do you like in that boy? जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है। All happen for good. All happen for good. तुम वहाँ से क्यों भागे? Why did you run from there? Why did you run from there? वह पक्का इसका उल्टा ही करेगा। He must do its opposite. He must do its opposite. जब मैं आऊँगा तुम घर जा रहे होगे। When I come you will be going home. When I come you will be going home. वो लड़का ऐसा क्यों सोचता है? Why does that boy think so? Why does that boy think so? कोई आपको बुला रहा है। Somebody is calling you. Somebody is calling you. सोच से परे भी चीज़ें हैं। There are things beyond imagination. There are things beyond imagination. मैं कहता हूँ रुको। I say stop. I say stop. मैं उसकी आवाज़ पहचान ली। I recognized his voice. I recognized his voice.